Hi, my name's Colin Chappell. I'm a fourth generation apple farmer in northern Lincolnshire. My family's been farming this valley for 85 years. But in 25 years I've been at home, the weather has changed dramatically. To a farmer, weather is our business partner. It's something that can make or break us depending on the season. Increasingly what we're finding is unpredictability. We don't know from one year to the next what we're going to get. We're in these boom and bust cycles where we produce a lot one year and then next to nothing the next. With the wetter winters, we're not getting the rooting capacity, and the rooting dictates the water flow for the rest of the season. If you've hampered that part of your plant, when we get to the increasingly long dry spells that automatically seem to follow, we have a problem with the growth. They're not going to reach full maturity. There's not enough water supply there for this plant to meet its full potential. What that means for me as a farmer is that the potential yield is probably halved in these plants. That has implications for food security in this country.
It's been an exceptionally dry and sunny spring in the UK. We've had more hours of sunshine than the whole of last summer and less rainfall than any spring for over 100 years. As the climate warms, the UK is seeing mixed trends in spring rainfall. In some regions, the spring months are getting wetter on average, but in others, we're seeing less rain. But spring temperatures are increasing everywhere across the country due to climate change. In fact, spring is the UK's fastest warming season. On average, the UK is about 1.8 degrees warmer in spring now than it was in 1970. Warmer spring temperatures can worsen dry conditions when, like this year, we don't get much rain because higher temperatures cause even more moisture to evaporate from the soil and plants. For farmers, the hot and dry conditions have been hugely concerning. While rain is forecast for the UK next week, there's still a chance that we could face drought conditions in summer. Scientifically, we know what's causing the climate to change. Burning oil, gas and coal to generate energy releases greenhouse gases that trap heat and warm the planet. To stop this trend, we need to reduce our emissions, and a key part of that is to shift to renewable energy sources like wind and solar, which are actually rapidly becoming much cheaper than fossil fuels. We have all the technologies to modernise our energy systems, but countries need to move much faster.